DeSoto Arts Institute is an educational organization specializing in film arts and the movie-making industry. Located right here in DeSoto County, they are currently planning to host a one-day workshop for students who are interested in upping their game when it comes to movie making.
We are here with Mr. Rob Rock and what's your name again? Lewis Jennings to talk about the DeSoto Arts Institute. They have a workshop coming up in just a week or so. Tell us a little bit about the workshop.
So it's called Behind the Lens. It is an intro to filmmaking in a real working studio at DeSoto Arts Institute Studios. It's on September 6th. Registration fee is $50. It's a 3-hour class, 9 to noon. If you need a discount, hit me up and I'll hook you up. What else can we say about it? We're going to be teaching. We're going to be in the studio. I'm going to let you get hands-on with remote follow focus, wireless video systems, jibs, dollies, things like that you see behind the scenes YouTube videos. If you like them like I do, you'll probably appreciate it. And we'll walk you through the process and the procedure, why people say quiet on set, we're going for a take, why we clap the clapper, things like that. We'll explain all that. And some of you are making short films at home with your buddies on YouTube, and we'll show you how, just to kind of give you some tools to sync up good audio and see what professional audio systems look like and things like that.
Elevate your craft a little bit. So what you don't realize is there is a full operational film studio right here in DeSoto County. It's right down Highway 51, probably not but 4 miles from this school right now.
Right. State line and Highway 51 inside the South Point Church building, the big old shopping center. It's a church building. We're on the north side. Follow the orange signs and get around there and come hang out with us. And we doing more than this. Tuesday nights we have Film School 101. That open enrollment is happening right now, so you can go to our website at DeSotoArtsInstitute.com. We have that going on, and that's a paid class that meets every Tuesday night, 6 to 8:30. And we usually have 10 to 15 students in there. And open to everybody is Film Factory every Thursday night from 6 to 8:30. Lewis is part of Film Factory, and Lewis is teaching at Film School 101. And it's a bunch of people that just want to make films. So we write together, we brainstorm ideas together. We're working on one this weekend, and we're going to be shooting a little horror thriller that's pretty cool. Lewis just wrote something based on a Franz Kafka story called Dear Marcy, right? Yeah, Dear Marcy, that we're going to shoot at the Botanical Gardens. That's going to be pretty neat. And we have something called Fences in the works too. So we're constantly doing things. So you probably have some ideas and you want more help to pull those ideas off, because what happens, Mark, you know this, you start out small and then, like you said, elevate, gets a little bit bigger, a little more complex, right? And a little more complex, and we add VFX and use Blender 3D and do all kinds of cool things. So if you want to learn some filmmaking, some high-end video production, come on.
They have an amazing studio. There are sets inside of that thing. They have amazing equipment, cameras, jibs, which are the big cranes that you see with cameras on them. They have all sorts of toys, makeup. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, and it's all sitting right here in DeSoto County. And they have an educational arm of this that allows students to take classes if you're interested in that as a possible future career, with lots of people from the industry that descend on the Memphis area to come to DeSoto Arts Institute that you get to meet with and network with. And it's a really, really awesome opportunity. What's great about the workshop is, if you're not sure if that's for you yet, you can just spend the day there and check it out to see if it might be something that you find interesting. And then you could talk to Mr. Rob about possibly joining the school. I say school, this is an after hours type setup. So you still go to high school, you could still go to college, you can still work a job and then still be a part of the DeSoto Arts Institute. If you're curious about what this studio looks like, I'm going to drop a studio tour, because I took my YouTube channel over and met with Rob not too long ago this summer and went through the whole studio. And so you can check it out and see what DeSoto Arts Institute is about. Anything else you'd like to tell them?
I don't know. Lewis, Lewis from DAI, what do you have to say about it?
Well, if you like a good community and you love films, I feel like DAI is the perfect place to be. We have a really nice Blackmagic 6K cameras, audio equipment, 3 editing bays with like high-end PCs. We have everything you need for filmmaking, and with a great community as well.
Yeah, it's an amazing space. They have an amazing little theater that you can sit and watch movies and films in. And Rob shows films all the time. He has film nights where you can just come and hang out and build really, really good relationships and community. Like, it's a really, really awesome opportunity. If that's something that you may be interested in, then you're certainly going to want to contact Mr. Rob. If you don't know the first steps to take, come down here to E4. I have a whole stack of his cards, and you can get in contact with him and take the next steps that way. September the 6th. And if you're interested in signing up for that, you can contact Mr. Rob and we can get you signed up for that workshop. What are the times? Do you know the times?
It's 9 to noon. And look, go to the DeSotoArtsInstitute.com, click calendar, and look at the calendar, and you'll see the different events. We have the movie nights and this workshop and other things, and you can register right there and pay right there with a credit card or whatever.
All right. We hope that you are interested in coming out to DAI and checking it out.